Young Democrats group who are part of our d.o.y.l programme. We're down here tonight looking at some of the issues that they've identified in their action plan, and the main one was more communication. Guys, can you tell me a bit more about that issue and why you feel like it is such an important issue in this area?
Well, Northern Ireland is such a small community, and traditionally we've had the two main groups in Northern Ireland, but they can sometimes feel so far apart. And then within those groups there's diversity as well, and that diversity is increasing with immigrants coming in and with people identifying other ways as well. And it's important that everybody communicates with each other to build a shared society in the future that everybody can feel part of. And without that, shared society is a threat to go back to violence. So really, as far as politicians are concerned, they can sometimes feel aloof and removed from the ordinary people on the ground, whether that be people in ordinary housing estates, people in the countryside, even people in middle class areas and so on. So people ought to be able to trust politicians to go and talk to them, and also ought to be able to get on well with each other at the grassroots level. There are a lot of programmes within this country that try to bring people from a Catholic background and people from a Protestant background and every other way to identify together. But this has to increase in order to build a Northern Ireland that our children will all feel part of, and that will survive into the future as a shared society.
Through the programme, we completed a workshop on digital media. We understood the importance in social media and communicating and engaging with others and making our voices heard.
One of the things that we were discussing and trying to get young people in the area to actually find their voice, to actually realise that it's not always them that have to take what council tell them. They have to actually make their voices heard. So it's about communication, building communication between groups. So we've actually engaged with some local politicians. We went over to Westminster to lobby. We've learned about lobbying and how we can have our own voices heard and things like that. So it's about building relationships, as Greg said, between the different minority sections in our society, trying to put Northern Ireland into the 21st century and make it a more modern society where all people, it's not about your background, but it's about what you want to achieve for your area. So the things that you want to, look at the things that you can unite on and, work together on. Yes, there will be differences, and it's also important to come together to discuss those, but we've actually found that engaging with groups and with statutory agencies and things, and having our voices heard, that allows us to get our point across in a much more effective way. So communication's the key, really.
What methods have you used to communicate those messages?
So we've been talking with other groups. As I said, we've been communicating with our politicians. So we've been we had a session on lobbying where we were told to email our politicians, ask questions, discuss with some of our local councillors, things that we feel passionate about in the area in terms of services and things like that there. So it's about talking, and it's about using any means you can, and then hopefully we can do some tangible things with that, and we can come together as groups and we can go to events together, as I said, on things that we agree on, and we can take projects forward. So that's the long-term aim, and we're just building towards that at the minute.
One thing we as a group think is important to do is for each of us to build our capacity in order to allow us to engage more effectively and more confidently, and to get more results from it when we do with other groups, with other individuals from other backgrounds, and that we feel will allow us to leave a legacy that we can all be proud of, to allow us to feel a sense of achievement from this programme and to allow us to achieve a lot more in the future.